Greetings, today we will tell you about our program review, the Intermittent Fasting Diet. The Intermittent Fasting Diet 16-8 method stimulates the natural fat-burning processes in your body, resulting in a steady reduction towards your personal ideal weight. Intermittent Fasting Diet is not a crash diet, so it does not aim to help you lose 10 kilos in 3 weeks. The approach of the program and nutrition coaches is more sustainable and more suitable for everyday life. You can adopt the intermittent fasting diet in your daily life permanently. This was the ambition when developing this 7-week health and weight loss program. With this intermittent fasting program, you will be able to say goodbye to the craziness of dieting and the yo-yo effect of dieting. Intermittent fasting diet is an easier, permanent and healthier way to lose weight. Since the concept follows human nature, it has the effect of energizing us and making us slimmer and happier. The success of this method has been scientifically established. These are the benefits which the program offers you. Number 1. Science-based nutritional conception, maximum weight loss success with a balanced diet, developed by professionals and customized especially for you. Detailed explanations, perfect for beginners and advanced eaters alike. No more frustrating diets, ever again. Step-by-step guidance for lasting results, complete nutrition system for a healthy and balanced diet, developed by our nutritionists. Naturally anti-aging, promotes a better complexion, increases your ability to concentrate, easy, stress-free, suitable for everyday life. Point 2. Easy 7-week program. Personal support from support team, from nutritionists and intermittent fasting coaches. Individual follow-up of your success, visualize your success in the follow-up center. Step-by-step intermittent fasting guide, easy to understand, so you can avoid mistakes and beginner traps. Sustainable weight loss philosophy to increase energy and vitality. Online program that you can follow conveniently on a smartphone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world. Point 3. Tasty plant-based diet recipes. More than 70 exclusive intermittent fasting recipes, so you can really enjoy losing weight. New diet plans every week to ensure that your diet is varied and delicious. Meals for the whole family and many gluten-free and lactose-free recipes. Cooking with normal ingredients. No expensive superfoods, just everyday cooking. Intermittent fasting shopping list, which you can download as a PDF. Conclusions from scientific studies? Scientific studies on intermittent fasting indicate many positive effects. Speed up fat metabolism, cholesterol and blood values. Normalizes cholesterol levels and blood values. Anti-aging. Anti-aging effect for complexion and body cells. Healthy weight loss without sport. Weight loss without even exercising. You want to lose weight, you tried and you didn't succeed, try this program. What is your type of fasting? Find out now if intermittent fasting is right for you and get information about intermittent fasting for free and without obligation. Information in the description of the video.
Escucha, queridos amigos, comparte el video si te gustó en las redes sociales. Gracias por la atención. Hasta luego.